Yes, recording now. We are at Morro Rock. And this is how high we are.
This is the clouds.
We're way above the clouds. And we still didn't get right on the top of the mountain. Look at that. We're like, how high were we? Like 6,000 feet?
Yeah.
That's our next destination.
Almost 7,000.
That's our next destination right there. Look at that. It's just amazing right here. If you fall here, it'll be amazing too. Don't be like a jackass. I think that should be pretty strong. Go. Better not trip. Okay. That spot where we are earlier isn't high enough, so we're gonna go higher. Yeah, I hope I don't trip and fall all the way back down. This is pretty hard.